Stingray. Oh, there's a couple stingrays over there. This is one series turtle here. Look at the size of this turtle. Beautiful creature. And here comes a stingray. Look at that turtle, beautiful. And a stingray going right underneath him. Serious turtle there. And that, look at that turtle, that's beautiful.
Oh, that's an amazing picture.
That's like the biggest turtle I think I've seen. They're feeding the octopus. They give him a piece of shrimp. He's starting to come out of his hole. Yeah, we got the shrimp. Oh, there's a turtle up there. Where'd he go? Here comes a stingray. Turned around. Oh, there's a turtle down there. Oh, there it is. Huge turtle. Wow. Look at this one fish that comes by here. It's huge. Look, they're fighting over there. Wait till this one fish shows back up.
There's one big one over there, which is like an angelfish.
No, it's not that one.
Okay.
It went up that way.
I think this goes up and around.
Those two might be mating right there.
Or they might be.
They're fighting for dominance.
Look at rat's eye, Dad. Look at that. Whoa, that one.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Have you seen this thing? Yeah? Have you looked at this?
Yeah, clownfish. Look how they're hanging out in the coral.
Oh, yep.
Have you seen
I forgot what we call that one. there.
Clownfish or the lionfish?
The lionfish, that's right. What's that, a crab there?
A shrimp?
Shrimp? Look how they hide in the coral there. That
Oh, the
clownfish.
anemone. That's so. The anemone sting most.
Look at that real super small one there. See the antenna moving back and forth right above the clownfish?
He's probably hiding somewhere.
See if I get a real good picture of the guy. Yeah, see that? Look at that antenna moving back and forth. Look at it right there. I wonder if that's a snail or some kind of little crab or something.
Probably a little shrimp.
See it? Look at it in my phone.
No, I can see it. It's a little shrimpy.
Yeah, it's quite astonishing. All right. Now here is some very beautiful fish.
Oh, there's a clownfish over there.
Yeah,
There's a mean fish.
these are like gorgeous fish.
Coconutty fish over there.
Man, look at this blue one right here.
Both of them are not sea anemones. They have to be water fish. They
If you're done with that, look at these guys.
Para sentado en la computadora, pero en la
Okay, some beautiful fish. Okay, we're looking at the penguins now. I think they're enjoying those little spray sprinklers they're getting sprayed on. That over there must be a skull of a whale or something. Wow, look at that one swimming. Whoa, here goes another one. Look, they're all swimming under there. Aren't those cool little creatures?
Yep. Oh, there's one.
Oh, look at that guy. He's on the hunt.
There's another one.
Wow. Look at this dude. He's just hanging out, having fun.
Okay. So that's
All right. To the end of this episode.
Nice to meet you, Jonathan. What's your name? My name is Evan. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm the leader of the South End.